Starta.
First time.
Timer starts.
Now.
So an engine which completes 4 strokes into one power stroke, or to complete one cycle is called 4-stroke engine. So the crankshaft completes one rotation in 2 strokes. So it rotates to revolution in 4 strokes. 4-stroke engines. We know that stroke is defined maximum movement of piston to the basic principle of a 4-stroke. For example, if a piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center, it is known as a stroke. A stroke. If the piston returns back to bottom dead center, it is known as 4-stroke. If it again moves towards PDC or the top dead center and come back to BDC or bottom dead center, it completes 4-stroke. So 4-stroke engines are more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, which we'll discuss by my fellow debater later. They operate in 4 steps: the intake, compression, power, and exhaust. So in intake, valve is open and fuel is drawn in with a damp stroke. Second, compression. As the piston moves upward, the fuel is compressed. Third, power. So after the fuel is compressed, it is ignited to produce the engine's power. For exhaust, the exhaust valves open and the exhaust gases exit the cylinder. So that's how the principles of the 4-stroke engine.
Okay, time. Time. Break. 1 minute. Break.
Luyas yung kauban na kay nanimaos ba? Dahil po bisa lang matabang dan ninyo. Oh, nag-start na. First pa lang. Uy, naman mo yung panang spy. Ay, spy.
Last 30 seconds.
Okay, ready na mo?
Hindi naman.
Okay, start na. Yan ang tawaton. Start na.
Start.
Ako na. Ako siya po, sir. So, good day, sir. Good day, fellow classmates. So, today we're gonna talk about the 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. Where today we will stand firm to defend the 2-stroke engine. So, where marine vessels favor to use through 2-stroke engines are used for main propulsion. So, and 4-stroke for power generation. So, what is 2-stroke engine? So, a 2-stroke engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle with 2 strokes of the piston during one power cycle. So, this power cycle being completed in 1 revolution of the crankshaft. So, unlike sa 4-stroke, which is mo duha mo, they will use a 2 revolution, and the 2-stroke is 1 revolution. So, what is a 2-stroke engine? So, a 2-stroke engine is type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle with 2 strokes of the piston during 1 power cycle. So, this power cycle being completed in 1 revolution of the crankshaft. So, as I said, so what makes an engine 2 strokes? So, an engine that makes 2 stroke it is called a 2-stroke because just 1 up and 1 down. So, kanang 1 up and 1 down, pa-complete na yung cycle, ang upat ka cycle na intake, compression, tapos katong power o exhaust. During that cycle, 2-stroke can complete that. So, in usara ka revolution. So, after that, which is better? So, for us, 2 strokes as we defend the 2-stroke engine. So 2-stroke engine are much lighter and also cost less to manufacture. So, sa ingon pa ni Sir kanina, so if we use akatong next. Never mind. So man na to, two-stroke engine are much lighter and also costless to manufacture. In comparison to four-stroke engines, unlike four-stroke engines, repair are generally needed more frequently compared to the two-stroke engine. So, mas grabe yung manpower, so like daily maintenance gyud o mas gasto ang four stroke engine kaysa sa two stroke na, or we can repair or maintenance the two stroke every once a month or kanang once every 2 months. So after that, if you want to keep costs down while benefiting from an efficient machine or tool, so if you want to keep costs down, para makalasta, we can use two-stroke engine. Kasi
Time.
Break 1 point.
Sayang yung research. Hindi mo kapin. Kaya naman may tayo mga istoryan niya. Istoryan ninyo ang sayang nga pre. Wala naman sulti ni pre. Ano pre? Pwede ra. Kaya niya ideas.
Last 30 seconds.
Okay na? Sugod na ta?
3.
Teman.
Next call. Next speaker.
Okay, ready na? O sige, dali.
Timer starts now.
As what Montero said,
Sige, panganlan na.
gasoline costless manufacturer compared to four-stroke. Yes, less cost two-stroke engine, but speaking of durability, the ability to withstand unwear pressure or damage, four-stroke is fit with it. Four-stroke is better than two-stroke. Because four-stroke also engines are more efficient due to less demand of fuel, because fuel is consumed once every four-stroke, unlike two-stroke engine. So it is better for also for our environment because it reduces emissions, mga emitted, like if we talk about emitted, produce or discharge gases or carbon gases. A two-stroke engine also releases burnt oil into the air and addition to the exhaust gases. First affirmative. Four-stroke is better than two-stroke engine because it gives high efficiency. Muna to ang ako i-ribas kaya ganyan. Because less pollution siya, kaya mag-burn man siya pure petrol compare sa inyong na two-stroke engine. Ang i-burn niya, combination of lubrication, oil, and petrol, and a fair amount of oil. Mga itong ma-emit sa atuang or ma-discharge sa exhaust gases ma-add sa atuang environment. Also sa inyong state nga ang inyong maintenance is once every 2 months. So sa ako lang na search kay mas ang time range ninyo for maintenance is mas kadaghan pa kaysa sa mga kay ang four-stroke engine nindot ang iyang lubrication system o ang iyang mechanism valve. So ang iyang lubrication system kay buwag ba ang iyang ang oil system na siya oil sump to lubricate the lubrication system.
Okay, break. Break.
Ano itong year to nag-rap last time?
2, 51,
Ha?
0.
What, Dre? Nagamit ito, debate mo. Time!
Next. Next speaker. Timer starts now.
Good morning, sir. So,
Morning.
share na ko sa two-stroke. So, ang two-stroke is, advantages niya is because simple lang yung design din ang pagka-construct. And also, ang two-stroke, it doesn't have valves. It simply has inlet and outlet ports which make it simpler. So, two-stroke also is more powerful aside from the four-stroke. Kaya, two-stroke engine, every alternative stroke is power stroke, unlike four-stroke, one in which power gets delivered once every four stroke. So this gives a significant power boost. Also, the acceleration will be higher and power delivery will be uniform due to the same reason. So, ang four stroke mo kay less powerful siya as power gets delivered once every two rotations of crankshaft or known as four strokes, and four stroke is less powerful. Also, ang four stroke niya, ang nakadifferential po niya kay expensive siya. So, ano, kay daghan siya parts and also more parts than two stroke. So, they often require repairs which leads to great expenses. Marot na sir.
Break.
Break.
Tabang na lang.
Three, two, hands up. Next speaker.
Time! Oh, di ka siya
3,
mawa.
2, 1, go.
So, good morning everyone. I am here to rebat Viva. So, as Viva said, that two-stroke has more power. So, the two-stroke engine has a narrow power band or range of speed where the engine is most efficient on tap. So, this engine may become unstable while idling. So let's talk about durability. So, four-stroke engine is less wear and tear due to good lubrication system. So, with wear is damaged, eroded, or destroyed by friction or use, then ang tear move very quickly in a reckless or excited manner. So, four-stroke lubrication are lubricated by oil held in an oil sump. The oil is distributed through the engine by splash lubrication or a pressurized lubrication pump system. Then, splash lubrication is achieved by partly submerging the crankshaft in the oil sump. The momentum of the rotating crankshaft splashes oil to other engine components such as the cam lobes, wrist pins, and cylinder walls. So, while in two-stroke engines use a total loss lubrication system. So, kay Gisagol man. So, that combines oil and fuel to provide both energy and engine lubrication. So, Gisagol, so, mas loss of kanang lubrication gun. In general, two-stroke engines work more quickly than four-stroke engines because they don't have a dedicated lubricant for. So, that's all.
So, time. Break.
Okay, double check niyo yung title sa atong kuan debate. I-double check niyo yung title sa atong debate. Sa may title ato. Four stroke versus two stroke ra gingon. Unsa nga klase nga engine?
Diesel. Wala gingon sir.
Indicates din sa
Wala pa gingon petrol or diesel.
Ba? Oh, sige.
Diesel engine sir. Two-stroke diesel engine, four-stroke diesel engine, two-stroke diesel engine.
Okay, lagi pa sorry, magasolina naman.
Five, four, three, two, one. Time is up. Next. Start.
So, like what in said, so ang among mga premix. So, yes, kay kuha mo sa na two-stroke man, so premix siya. Then, like what you said earlier, na our exhaust waste kay kanang polluted. So, do you think na kanang polluted yun ang i-release? Nga naamatay ka ng, di ba, kanang purifier na maka-minimize sa kuwan. Ano, then, so, the exhaust gas is leaving the combustion chamber muna sa nga kanang ma-recover sa mga kuwan pa. Dili ka nang dapat i-release. So, nag-aral naman tayo ng kung ano, kanang Marfol. So, diba kanang ingon ni ma'am na kanang tanan nga kuha na dyan sa mga control. So, kadto na control na ito nato kay bawal man kita mo release yung mga toxic gases. So, if mag-release na ito, natin posibilidad na makasuhan, makakuha na itong company, so, rin, mana po sa durability. So, if mo kuha ka sa, if we talk about power, so, ang two-stroke mo powerful man sa four-stroke. So, if we talk about heavy cargos like mga bulk, like mga tanker, so leave man siya sa power kay bukat man. Unlike sa mga passenger ship nga dili siya kanang mid kay one but so wala sa mid siya kanang 4-stroke. So sa 2-stroke ni man power, so kanang ship can carry more weight and hence more cargos in 2-stroke engines because high power low weight ratio. So that's all sir.
Break.
Let's go, Messi.
Tumod na ano. Tumod. Apa yun? Props lang gitu. Pero sa'yo talaga. Sa'yo talaga. Four, three, two, one. Thumbs up. Next speaker. Up.
So good day everyone. So I'm here to stand that 4S or 4-stroke has this advantage. So in terms of field in 4S, it has a lot of advantages such as a quieter operation. A quieter operation because a lot of cruise ship or a lot of this is needed in a cruise ship, especially when traveling. So they when in 2-stroke, it releases more noises. Emits more carbon, which is not pleasant to the people or the crew in the surroundings. So another also, it runs cleaner due to no extra oil added in fuel. It separates event mechanically, so it has this pore that specifically determines the different events. So especially the exhaust, this is where we have the advantage because in 4-stroke we have this elimination of emission. So through 2-stroke will never offer the torque of a 4-stroke. They come close enough for the most weak. So in the field of economy, it ensures better fuel economy for the 4-stroke engine and is further aided by the use of direct injection system. And in the environment aspect also in 4-stroke, it is safer than 2S because 2S are leading in higher carbon emission, which contributes to the air pollution, not only in the maritime industry, but also in general. So a 2-stroke engine emits more power and torque. They are not suited for the day-to-day activity. Moreover, they are not fuel efficient, have a short life, polluting agent, and also noisier than a 4-stroke. Therefore, 4-stroke engines should be preferred as they are more fuel efficient, less polluting, and affordable. 4-stroke bikes are available for day-to-day activities. That is one example.
So, as Mrs. stated earlier, when they say they can minimize the pollution, but the question there is that you can minimize only, but you cannot avoid the pollution. So how can you be so sure
Time.
pollution?
Break. Five, four, three, two, one. Time's up. Start. Go.
You guys are talking about pollution. So if I ask you, both of you, how can you prove that your four-stroke engines di maka-create ng pollution? Can you prove us na dili na siya maka-create ng pollution? Actually, dili pinamabukan ng pollution. Kasi ikaw mga nagbarog niya, na kay pollution. So,
Continue.
excess gases leaving the combustion chamber can be converted into mechanical energy by the use of thermodynamic process. Actually guys, hindi ko naman ikin ang pollution. Pero malisin na nato. So, actually, there are sea areas na pwede na ito malabayan yung mga toxic gases. So, actually, the high gases of particular emission rates of two strokes inlet can be reduced efficiently by replacing the conventional crankcase scavenging with high or low emission injection. In most cases, this will be happen specificity. So, ito, paano mo, sabi ko mo about durability. So, kung mag-talk po tayo about sa, we talk about fuel selection. So, the fuel prices have gone sky high and bitter grade fuel is adding high cost to this operation. So, a two-stroke engine can burn low fuel and hence reduce the running cost of the ship. So, we talk about power. Most of the two-stroke engines are now large-stroke engines that produce more power. Hence, they have high power to weight ratio as compared to four-stroke engines. So, kung taas of high power to weight engine ratio, so ship can carry more weight and hence more cargo with two-stroke engine because of high power weight ratio. So, when we talk about reliability, two-stroke engines are more reliable in operation as compared to four-stroke engines. So, when we talk about maintenance, so the maintenance requirement of the two-stroke engine is much lesser than four-stroke engines. So, kay two-stroke engines, gamay na siya parts nga as dali ang siya i-maintenance. So, in two-stroke engine, the amount saved on high-grade fuel can compensate for all these advantages and also reduce the whole operating cost of ship. So that's all.
Time. Break. Psycho. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
So, start ako. So,
Go.
I'll share about my statement about the diesel engine.
Safety dito.
Diesel engine.
Huh?
Four-stroke engine. So, advantages is it delivers a good balance of power, reliability, and efficiency. So, if we connect this to our previous topic, since I find way back first year mechanics and hydromechanics. So,
Wow.
sa or kung kasi please remember the topic of Sir Corton. So, the balance, the bearing. For example, there's a sudden vibration. So, prone of damages and wear and tear. So, mabungka dyan sa kuhaan kung ang power is unbalanced. Diba, good example na itong bearing. Kung di balance ang bearing, may possibility to damages. So, four-stroke separate kuhaan amount of mechanical which reduces unborn fuel emissions. So, fuel is separated to the oil. So, the oil and fuel will not be mixed. So, mas linear compared to two-stroke. In terms of durability, you said that two-stroke is more durable and less maintenance. I'm not sure that I'm into your opinion, but for me, four-stroke is more durable because two-stroke is creating more power. So okay. The two-stroke is higher in RPM, high torque at higher RPM. So, ibali, the two-stroke is forcing its power, so unbalanced na. So, there's a possibility that two-stroke is prone of damages because of unbalanced power. So, ibali is, in terms of fuel, so, in fuel, four-stroke is more efficient than two-stroke. Why? As I mentioned earlier, two-stroke is higher torque at higher RPM, but in four-stroke, high torque but in low in RPM. So it's understandable to the words nga, mas less jud mo taon ang four-stroke nga kay high ang torque but effortless lang ang RPM. Inay lang pero makakuha na makagain siya ang power. So di kaya siya gasto. So, in terms of pollution, as mentioned, pollution. So, based on your opinion, your research, maraming tubay na nakakay, yun, may iwas ang pollution, yes. But, compared to you, the four-stroke and two-stroke engine is less good ang kuha mo. Kaya we're not using a high volume of sulfur. So, yeah. So, in maintaining, so if you are maintaining, maintained of the four-stroke is not prone in repair,
Time.
Time's
up.
Break.
Extend.
Gusto mo yung mga tagaan kayo pansurya? Dora.
Pamana sa
Ikaw na, ikaw na, ikaw na. Busy na siya. Busy na siya.
Last to na, last to.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
So, good day everyone, I'm here to stand the two-stroke. So, as what Axel and Tia said, they were just pointing out the fuel efficient and less emission, even though there's a solution to that. So, unlike the problem in less efficient, in two-stroke, we can just use low-grade fuel or fuel from the bunker. And in less emission, there's a process called purifying. So, and also there's a process called thermodynamic process where exhaust gases and from combustion chamber can be converted into mechanical energy by the use of the turbocharger. So, next problem they tell is the cost. So, they said that the cost of the two-stroke is much greater than the four-stroke because of the fuel used in the two-stroke. But they didn't research well because
Patay mo dyan.
because
Restok yun.
it is still bawi around one and two-stroke sir because the fuel used in the two-stroke is coming from the bunker. So unlike sa one sa four-stroke na magamit sila of mga maintenance, tapos sila cost maintenance. So they said that the two-stroke is cruise ship is using four-stroke. It's because the cruise ship is I think it's much not heavier than the container ship or the ship carrying heavy cargo. So this if we talk about the work efficient, then surely two-stroke will win. So it requires four-stroke engine and it is proportional to the two-stroke. So conclude all the assumptions of the powerless to weight ratio. It is much preferable to us two-stroke because the ship is carrying heavy cargo, then it is surely the two-stroke will win because the heavier the cargo, the more power it requires. Unlike the four-stroke, which is less in power, so dia yung yung karga sa kasagaran para dili kay heavy nga pandukan. So in sulfur, vibration. So there are problem of vibration. There are but since our technology is developing, then there are installment called like counterbalance so that the vibration is much lesser. So in problem of sulfur, so just like Sir said, so we use the purifier. All pollution caused by our engine two-stroke can be lessened by the use of purifier and scrubber.
Time.
That's all sir. Thank you.
Last break. Break.
Lunch break. Gutom naman. Pao na kumata kay gutom.
Buat sa niya, gamit sa bunker fuel. Kumuha sila ka sa front sa company, switch man sila. Bunker fuel to diesel fuel. Diba, limas, madugla ba? Ya, katulong nga nila nga,
Kaduhan na nimo, pulbaan na ka.
kami no, sa luya ba? Ang gijang
Pabinaw, di ba?
different dito ang
Bago ka ron.
no dili what sila kay bawo ang rostani siya size Basta yung taas kayo bukat, yapon na.
May isa.
Time!
Time.
Ay, 10 minutes na kasi.
Start na doon.
First, so Messi admitted that two-stroke is mixed petrol and lubricating oil or the two-stroke oil. So lubricating oil is being consumed and it is expensive, and you need about 4 ounces of it per gallon. So if you're using daghan kayo, many gallons of fuel, then you're going to need more two-stroke oil or tuti. So again, in durability, four-stroke is much more durable than two-stroke engine because two-stroke engines are designed to run at high RPM munang dose of power, but they also tend to wear faster because two-stroke engine is significantly louder and has distinctive higher pitch buzzing sound. And buzzing sound na munang makakause siya o vibration. Then we all know that vibration causes damage kay basta mahulog. Yeah. Messi said also that so Tero you didn't listen. We are not stating that the four-stroke engine doesn't emit pollution. We are trying to put out that four-stroke engine is emits lesser pollution than two-stroke engine. So, and if you wanna know why four-stroke engine emits less amount of pollution, because it does not require oil or what I said, lubricant oil mixed in fuel. So, kanang lubricant oil, maka-add na siya of pollution sa i-emit sa diesel engine, two-stroke diesel engine. So, sakang Noya. So, Noya focuses about a vessel, but our topic is all about diesel engine. It doesn't state that we're going to focus on the ship. We're not focusing on the cargo ship. In fact, all type of diesel engine, 4-stroke and 2-stroke, including land-based engine like motor and different type of engine. Yeah, both katong gisabi ko iya kung ingon na bunker fuel. But in some countries, bunker fuel are prohibited. So, useless gyapon. Bunker fuel much more emits more pollution.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, napay masulti atong timer ug atong kuan.
Ganahan ko si Beryl mo sa niya. Beryl, mali ka.
Sige.
So, I will start on the 4-stroke. So, ang ilang ibalik-balik kay ang fuel efficiency o ang environmental friendly. So, sakto po ang lower RPM during operation. So, fuel efficient po siya, sakto po to. Tapos pag ingon ninyo katong sa valve mechanism, simple na po nilang tubag. Kay simple naman pag itubag dyan. Kay og simple ang simple ang 2-stroke due to the lack of valve mechanism mo to. So, easier ang maintenance, lighter, faster, anya, fewer ang iyang moving parts. So, weightless po siya. Maro to, natubag po to nila. Kamo po, ang ilang mga points, natubag po ninyo. So, nindot pakpakan.
Singgapon. Nice.
May gumita ba ng gisuwat niya?
Same lang. All throughout the debate, there were I observed four main topics that has been continuously being said. Firstly, it was fuel efficiency. Next was the power. Next was the the cost or the economic value that the other stroke or both strokes presents. And lastly was the the torque and RPM that is being produced by these two types of strokes. So, ganon. That's it.